Hello everyone, Shaurat Health this side. Being a Go UNESCO Campus Ambassador 2015 was a truly wonderful experience for me. I learned about a lot of new and exciting things which I didn't know before, which are completely alien to me. I learned about what heritage is, what are the different types of heritage, what are various historical marvels like the Roman Colosseum to the great living Chola temples, etc. So all this learning wasn't in a truly lecture format in which there's a professor, he's delivering a lecture and you taking notes. It was in a practical and hands-on learning environment. For example, I visited various heritage sites, I researched on them, and finally I created content on them in the form of collages, pictorial representations, reports, stamp collections, etc. So all this helped me in a lot of ways. Apart from the learning that I gained, I also gained an appreciation and understanding of what heritage sites really are and how important they are to the communities that they're related to, how they define the history of the community, how the entire customs of the community are sometimes related to the heritage sites. So I learned how why heritage sites are very important. I also learned about why they should be preserved, and I felt that apart from that, myself and all the other participants actually made a significant impact on preserving heritage sites because we created digital content, and we not only did we understand about what heritage sites are and what are the worth of these heritage sites, we also tried to influence others and educate and enlighten others about this. And apart from that, creating this digital content is a means of preserving information on these heritage sites. So I felt that through this program, not only did we gain a level of learning and understanding, we also created an impact in society. We created an impact in preserving these heritage sites, and all these are reasons why I feel that this program, apart from being fun, educative, making a significant impact on various things, so I feel that this program was a wonderful experience for any person who joined this program. And yeah, so I'd encourage all of you to apply for this program. Yeah. So